If you're thinking about buying the new Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, here's the real question. Is it actually worth upgrading, or is the Fit 4 Pro still enough? Because honestly, both watches look very similar at first. But once you start using them, the differences show up in display, health tracking, and overall experience. So in this video, I'll quickly compare both side by side so you can decide which one you should actually buy. Design, build, and display. When it comes to design, both watches feel almost the same. You get that slim rectangular shape, lightweight body, and a clean modern look that works for everyday use. The Fit 4 Pro already had a premium feel with its titanium bezel and aluminum body, and the Fit 5 Pro keeps that same build quality but feels slightly more refined. The real upgrade is in the display. The Fit 4 Pro has a 1.82-inch AMOLED screen, while the Fit 5 Pro gets a larger 1.92-inch display. It's not a huge jump on paper, but in real use, it feels more spacious and easier to read. The biggest difference is brightness. The Fit 5 Pro goes up to around 3000 nits, which makes it much easier to use outdoors. The screen stays clear even in direct sunlight, and the thinner bezels also make it look more modern. So overall, design is similar, but display is clearly better on the Fit 5 Pro. Health and tracking. In terms of health tracking, both watches cover all the basics like heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress monitoring. The Fit 4 Pro already does a good job here, but the Fit 5 Pro introduces Huawei's new TrueSense system, which improves accuracy and gives faster readings. Sleep tracking is also upgraded with the newer algorithm, so you get better insights and slightly more detailed data. It's not a massive change, but it does feel more advanced and reliable compared to the older model. Battery life. Battery life is very similar on both watches. You're getting around 7 to 10 days depending on your usage. Huawei didn't really change much here, and in real life, both watches perform almost the same. So there's no big difference when it comes to battery. Features and daily use. In daily use, both watches feel very similar. You still get Bluetooth calling, GPS, multiple sports modes, and water resistance. But the Fit 5 Pro feels a bit smoother overall. The interface is more refined, animations feel cleaner, and the experience is slightly more polished. You also get some improved fitness tracking and newer sports modes, which adds a bit more value if you use your watch for workouts. Again, it's not a huge jump, but it's noticeable over time. Final verdict. So which one should you buy? If you already have the Fit 4 Pro, upgrading is not really necessary because the overall experience is still very similar. But if you're buying a new watch, the Fit 5 Pro is the better choice. You're getting a better display, improved health tracking, and a slightly more refined experience. So in simple terms, the Fit 4 Pro is still good, but the Fit 5 Pro is the smarter option right now. Let me know in the comments which one you would choose, and for more simple smartwatch comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to SmartWatchRadar.